Greetings, everyone. How's everyone doing on this beautiful Saturday night? This is your brother and host, Supreme X, Fire Money Network family. This is our Saturday night episode, show that we do every Saturday night, the Future Money Show. And family, we apologize for the delay, the 15-minute delay, but we was experiencing technical difficulties, so we had to get everything right. But we thank you for joining. Thank you for staying and being plugged in with us, family. And this show, family, we're gonna go into now on just to break it down with the Future Money Show that we've been doing for over a year now, consistently, right? We go into where the future money is going or where it looks like, right? So all of the experts, all of the wealthy, they say it's going gold. They say it's going digital. So we just provide you the facts about it. So in Far Money, make no mistakes about it. We understand that gold is real money. We just believe that cryptocurrency and blockchain technology is the way we're going to transfer and do transactions and do business and do banking. We think that the blockchain is the new banking system. That's what we believe, but don't never get it twisted. We are still on gold. So with that being said, we got an awesome stream for you tonight. You definitely want to plug in. Make sure you're taking copious notes. Make sure you stay to the end and share this out with everybody that you love or everybody that might be interested in hearing what we're going to reveal to you tonight. So what we're revealing tonight, family, it is so significant to where everything is going, what's going on in the media. The big talk is revolving around cryptocurrency, mainly Bitcoin. However, it's a mass adoption that's going on with cryptocurrency and Bitcoin and all other cryptocurrency and blockchain technologies. So we just providing you with information, articles that were released in the last week or so in 2021 that's showing that cryptocurrency is where you need to be. It's where you need to be because the world is going digital, family. But however, before we get into that, since we deal in gold and cryptocurrency, these are the two assets that we specialize in forward money, and that's what we mainly talk about on this show here. We always go and check the gold spot price. Gold was just doing good a couple of days ago on the market, right? And it's still trading for over $1,847 per ounce. It had got up to $1,900. It fell back down. However, this does not reflect the real value of gold, the physical. It doesn't reflect that. Don't get confused by this price. This is stock. This is spot price. This is ETF. This is derivative. This is stocks. Mining stocks. It has nothing to do with the real hard asset. Just remember that, right? And in Far Money Network, we have an opportunity for you to get your hands on the real asset. And if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel, please go do so. Far Money. Click the notification bell so you can get notified every time we go live. So that's gold. So now let's look at cryptocurrency before we get into our main topic, which we're going to look at now and we're going to come back to. Let's go to coin market cap and look at what cryptocurrency is doing. Okay, coin market cap is a outlet for you to see about cryptocurrency that they have listed. They don't have them all listed because there's about 10,000 cryptocurrencies in the world, and more is being developed by the day. More is being developed by the day because anybody can start their own cryptocurrency. Little do you know it or not. But coin market cap has over 8,000 coins listed, has over 34,000 markets, and they got a listing of the crypto market cap is over $1 trillion. Now, that's very significant, which we will get into a little later. So here's the top 100 coins, but we're just going to focus on the top two. And on coin market cap, when you go here, these coins are listed not in price, but in market cap. Y'all follow me? Not in price, because you got other coins that's on the market that's trading for more than $1,300. But they don't have a market cap that Ethereum got. That's why Ethereum is 2. And you have some coins that's trade about the same price as Bitcoin, but they don't have the market cap of Bitcoin, right? So just get that understanding. So Bitcoin, the number one cryptocurrency in the world, and it's the first cryptocurrency in the world, is trading for $40,000 and $711.89. The last 24 hours, Bitcoin is up 2.35%. The last 7 days is up over 25%. Ethereum is trading for over $1,323.47. The last 24 hours, Ethereum is up 11.75%. The last 7 days, Ethereum is up 71.15%. Now, these coins are very high. These coins, we don't know what the end price might be for these coins. However, if you would like to generate income in these coins, then get with us in Forward Money Network or whoever led you to this stream, because we have that opportunity for you. I'm gonna say that again. If you would like to see how you could generate income, and your income or your currency is gonna be Bitcoin and Ethereum. I hope that is plain. Because for some reason, telling you can get paid in Bitcoin and Ethereum, I don't know, that ain't really registered with everybody. But that's what we do. My income is generated not in cash no more, in Bitcoin and Ethereum from the Gold Standard Bank Network. So that's that. If you want to know more about that, you can go to our website, www.forwardmoney.info, or you can send us an email at forwardmoney76@gmail.com. Right? And if you want to go and learn more about what we're saying and how it works, go to our YouTube channel, and we got plenty of videos talking about that. But that is not our conversation for tonight. So we deal with everything dealing with cryptocurrency. So we're going to get back to cryptocurrency's market cap, so you can get an understanding on the significance of that reaching $1 trillion. Okay, let's deal with the first article that we want to go into, because we just want to highlight cryptocurrency tonight. We're dealing with the future of money. So this is futuristic right here. I don't know if you heard this or seen this about a week or so ago, where we have a Carolina Panthers. Carolina Panthers is a National Football League team that resides in North Carolina. Russell Okung becomes first NFL player to be paid in Bitcoin. Now, this was released December the 29th, about 2 weeks ago. Now, the significance of this is, I don't even know how he's getting paid in Bitcoin, but the article said he is, and this is CoinDeck. This is CoinDeck. It was released. Now listen what he say, just quote him. "Pay me in Bitcoin has come true for National Football League player Russell Okung. Some 20 months in a 273% price increase after he first tweeted that demand in May 2019. So he's been here. Okung will be the first player from any major United States sports league to be paid in Bitcoin. The arrangement comes by way of Zap, the Bitcoin BTC startup founded by Jack Ma. Zap's Strike product enables traditional paychecks to be converted into Bitcoin. Okung just happens to be quite large. His $13 million yearly salary is being split 50-50 between Bitcoin and fiat. Moss says Monday in a phone interview with CoinDeck. Moss says other pro athletes, including unnamed members of the Brooklyn Nets basketball team and baseball's New York Yankees, have also begun onboarding to the program. Moss says the NFL and NFL Players Association had to be involved to get approval. It is unclear if such approvals are also required for the National Basketball Association and Major League Baseball. Wow, now that is deep. Now that is deep. So this is just showing the mass adoption that you got the NFL and major sports. They can say they want to be paid in Bitcoin. So half of his income, his salary is coming in Bitcoin and the other half in fiat. What a wise decision right there. But this is just to show you where the world is going. This is nothing that never heard of before. The world is going there. So that's that there. So let's go and look at, this is just an example. I just wanted to use this as an example to show you if the athletes, the millionaires, and everybody's want to get paid in Bitcoin, why don't you want to get paid in Bitcoin? Or why shouldn't you seek an opportunity or look for a way to get paid in Bitcoin? To earn income in Bitcoin. That meaning your income is going up. So since he made that decision, he getting half of his check is going up. The fiat is going down, and eventually it's going to go up in smokes. We're not going to talk about the dollar too bad tonight, but this is money. We got to let you know what's happening. Do not hold on to your dollars. Do not do that, right? Find a safe place to put them. And cryptocurrency is looking real safe right now and looking smart. So that's that article there. So now let's switch gears and let's go and take a look at our main topic for tonight. United States Treasury. The official controller for the United States Treasury greenlights national banks to run nodes and stablecoin networks. Nodes and stablecoin networks. Now that's very significant to you hearing us talk about nodes. A node is how you can set some coins up on the blockchain. They really are the blockchain. And these nodes generate coins for the node holders. So let's get into the article. OCC. Greenlights national banks to run nodes and stablecoin networks. The latest from the Treasury's most crypto forward office says that national banks don't have to fear stablecoin nodes. Now this article was just released January the 4th. Monday evening, the Treasury's Office of the Controller of the Currency told national banks that they are allowed to run independent nodes for distributed ledger networks. Referring to of independent node verification networks, the OCC's interpretive letter says that banks may use new technologies, including INVNs and related stablecoins, to perform bank permissible functions such as payment activities. Coming amid a great deal of uncertainty as the future of stablecoins, the OCC's announcement is big news. The office nonetheless cautions that there are cyber risks inherent to using such technology. Banks must also be aware of potential risks when conducting INVN-related activities, including operational risk, compliance risk, and fraud. New technologies require enough technological expertise to ensure banks can manage these risks in a safe and sound manner. So that's our number one topic for tonight, family. Now this is huge because we have already heard about the Federal Reserve trying to come out with their own digital currency. I read something in the local in the Tampa local news app that they are trying to, they're supposed to be sending us out a debit card with this digital currency on the debit card. Y'all ain't hearing what we're saying. They're rolling this stuff out whether you like it or not. Don't sit on the fence. Get in front of the wave of it. If the central banks are talking about it, that's showing you that the old way of banking in this old fiat currency, this old dollar right here, doesn't have any, the longevity of it is out. It will be gone soon. How soon? Nobody knows. But you got the opportunity because cryptocurrency really puts everybody on an equal playing field. Why? Because it puts you in the front. It puts you in control of your money, where you want to store it, where you want to send it, how much you want to have. See, the banks don't allow you to do all of that. If the average person walked in the bank and said, I want to deposit $100,000 in the bank, the IRS will be at your door in the morning. Matter of fact, they're gonna lock the bank and lock you in there and call the IRS and get you arrested or have you questioned thoroughly about that $100,000. Yes, man. Matter of fact, you ain't even gotta take $100,000. Take $20,000 just up out the street and say you want to put it in your bank and see what happens without you being able to verify where it comes from. See, cryptocurrency blocks out all of that, right? Cryptocurrency blocks out all of that. So we don't have to submit to wicked governments no more or be ruled by them with their false policies and their fake policies because they can do what they want to do all over the planet, but they telling me I can't have $10,000 in cash. I can't get on the airplane with $15,000 in cash. I got to worry about going to jail, getting indicted, and getting the funds too. Then no more. Why? Because cryptocurrency, nobody can know what you have in a wallet. Nobody knows how many coins you have in a wallet, how much those coins are worth, what coins you have. Nobody knows but you. And you can have multiple wallets. Multiple wallets. So let's just talk about cryptocurrency. It's really just like some data stored in a software system. And the wallets are like the hard drive, if you would say that, or the thumbnail. But it's digital. And you just store how much crypto you want on these wallets. So let me give you an example. Bitcoin has many wallets. Y'all heard of Cash App? That's a wallet. That's not an exchange. That's a wallet, though. That's a wallet. Coinbase. I think Coinbase is an exchange in a wallet. GSTrade.exchange. That's an exchange. But you got wallets in there, too. So you got to know the difference. You got some wallets where you can't trade the coin, but you can hold crypto there. Then you got some wallets where they on the exchange, also a wallet, you can move the cryptocurrency there. So a lot of us, when you playing with massive crypto, we got multiple wallets. We got a wallet over here, we got a wallet over here, we got a wallet over here, and we got coins here, coins there, coins there. So we could never get hit for all of them in one wallet. And nobody knows that these are our wallets, and nobody knows how to get into these wallets. I'm not going to throw out a number for the hackers and the disclaimers, right? And the ones who don't want to work to build something, but would rather try to steal something. I don't want to do that. So we're not going to call out numbers, but just believe there's a bunch of us walking around here right now that been hip to crypto. I've been hip to crypto since 2016, late 2016. I got put on to the knowledge of cryptocurrency. Now, crypto had been out about 8 years at that time. But now you're seeing mass adoption. But for years now, we've been telling you in Far Money that cryptocurrency is a way of the future. Digitalization. Everything is a digital asset. But you in control. You in control of the money. You can transfer it where you want to transfer it to, and you can access it when you want to touch it, when you want to move it. And now they're coming out with all type of debit cards that will let you spend the crypto like it's cash. So literally right now, it's opportunities out there where you come into crypto and you never have to go back into fiat currency again. The world is going digital, the world is going gold. So when you see that they talking about this in the central bank, and it's the Treasury Department is pushing the banks to do this. Why? Because they want to be in the way. They want to be in control. These damn crooks. They want to be in control. Right? They want to monitor everything. So you can get their coin when they release it if you want to. We already did streams about that, not going to talk about that, right? But you need to know that the world is going digital, family. The dollar is all but dead. The cash in this banking system, as cryptocurrency and other ecosystems takes off, family, this deteriorates the central banking system. But they're doing everything in their power with the crooks at the SEC, with the regulators, with the banks. They're doing everything in their power to stay in power. But the more and more of us awaken to their false policies, their fake policies, the sooner we could help that stuff crash. Because it's been a scam, family. There ain't no, listen, family, I ain't want to go here, but we're going to go here tonight. We're going to go here tonight. So let me just, before we detour and get into the last article, and then we wrapping up, right? We're going to try to get done right at 30 minutes. But I'm not going to pull out the debt clock tonight. Not tonight. But Google the United States National Debt Clock real time and go take a look at that debt for yourself. Let me just show you how this is a scam. Here go a $10 bill, a $20 bill, and I got a $100 bill, right? What makes this $100 bill more than this $10 bill? Other than the president on his face, and it has more digits on it. But it's both paper, and they both say they notes. What makes the $20 bill more than the $10 bill? And what makes the $100 bill more than the $20 bill? Nothing. Just another president, and they got more digits on it. But it don't got no, none of them has any value. None of them has any value. This is paper. This is really no different from the $1 bill, other than the president and they got 3 digits on it. That's it, fam. Get this understanding. Now, the dollar was created, started in 1913 with the Federal Reserve Act. 1933, they made it illegal by President Franklin D. Roosevelt, made it illegal for the citizens to possess physical gold. Bullion gold. You could have jewelry, but you couldn't have coinage and you couldn't have bullion gold. That lasted from 1933 to 1973. 1973 was 2 years after President Richard Nixon, Trigger Dick, finalized the deal and put the Federal Reserve completely on top and in total control. For all of this is deep now. I want you to hear this. If you could get this right here, you can be free and wealthy overnight, because it's going to change the way you understand and look at this. Right? Them folk, we've been shooting dice with them folks and they got loaded dice. Okay. In 1913, they issued out Social Security numbers. In 1913, they started enforcing taxes. That's why if you go and talk to if you can find some people that was born before 1913, they don't got Social Security numbers. That came out in 1913 along with the Federal Reserve. The Federal Reserve is the central bank of America that controls pretty much all of the fiat, or all of the fiat currency on the planet. Why? Because the dollar is the #1 reserve currency on the planet. So all the other paper currencies, no matter where they at, they tied to the dollar. Due to the dollar correlation to oil, petrodollar, right? Big war about to kick off about this real soon. China, in 2018, approximately 3 years ago, came out with the petrol warrant. Y'all just follow this now. So they set up to see when the central banks took over the print of the money, the Federal Reserve took over the print of the dollar, they're going to put the government of the United States, because it ain't the federal government. The Federal Reserve is its own institution. It's independent of the government. That's why no government official can tell the Federal Reserve what to do, because they don't own it. The international banks own it, and they are in the shadows. They got a board of governors, and they got a chairman. but they are controlled and ran by that shadow banking system as we know it is the international bankers. Don't get scared. Don't get scared, right? This is real history. All this information out here, right? So if a central bank is going to take over the print of the United States government, print of the currency, make it the number one reserve currency on the planet, they're going to put the government in debt. Who's going to pay the debt? This is where your taxes come from. That's why we taxed on everything. We paying the debt. But we're really not paying the interest on the debt. I mean, we're really not paying the principal. We're paying the interest. So the debt can only go up and up. Because if I loan you $100 and it's the only $100 in circulation, and you telling me you're going to give me $2 back, where you going to get that other $100 from? And I'm the one printing. You got to come back and get it from me and keep getting it from me. That's why the debt is perpetuated, and it's been going up since 1913. This is why they are so afraid of cryptocurrency, and this is why the average American has no knowledge of gold. None. Zero. Know nothing about it. You would rather put it in your mouth, you would rather put it on your neck, you would rather put it on your ear, and you would rather put it on your car before you put it in a safe. Real talk. They robbed us of that knowledge for 40 straight years. And they made our grandparents and parents afraid to possess gold because for 40 years, if they would have got caught with some bullion, they would have went to jail and paid a $50,000 fine. So they ain't teach you nothing about gold growing up, which is the real money. So before them to run this trick, first of all, they had to remove the dollar away from gold. They can't run the trick as the dollar backed by gold, because if this represents gold, I could just go cash this in and get my gold. Y'all following this? And they can inflate the economy. Family, they just sent out a stimulus check. They just sent out another stimulus check. And they're supposed to be sending out some more. Where is the dollar coming? Where is these currencies coming from? And the debt is going to continue to climb faster and faster and faster. So you got all type of people working on crypto projects, and you better find you want to get involved in. You better find you a lifeboat. So to close this scam out, not only so the dollar was really set up to tax the citizens. It was set up to put the country in debt, and for 1% of the planet to hold and control all of the wealth. While we worshiping this and going to work for this, the wealthy elite, the wicked wealthy elite, they go and get all of the hard assets. That's why they're trying to make so many regulations and laws against cryptocurrency, because cryptocurrency frees people from their control. So they want to manipulate it and fear you as much as possible so they can continue to control. But once you lose the fear of them, they cannot control you no more. They cannot rule you no more. So this is done. It's over. It's done. I'm willing to bet that this don't have another 10 years left to it. Might be 5. I'm going to say 5. 5. Max 5 years. That after the next 5 years, 2025, you won't be spending no dollars, family. Sorry. But listen, don't take what I say for face value. Go and research this. Go Google it. Go type it in on YouTube. It's all out. You just got to lose your fear of it and stop thinking about a paycheck. See, they got us in survival mode. That's why the majority of us would rather look for a job or accept a job rather than look for opportunity. Because an opportunity meaning you got to do something. to get something. With a job, you just got to show up and give your time up. Don't take no brain power for that. The only brain power you got to do with it that is to get up in the morning and get there. Because when you go to work, you're going to do the work. But when you come into an opportunity where you're in control of your own income, you have to put in that type of mental power to deal with people on that level on a day-to-day basis. And I'm not going to tell you like it ain't stressful, but I tell you what, it's less stressful than waking up having to go to a job. It's less stressful from being out in 8 o'clock, 6 o'clock morning traffic. It's less stressful than another man or woman telling me what to do. Don't nothing top that. I'm a grown man. Nobody should be able to tell me when and where to use my damn phone that I pay the bills on. That's some high school, middle school stuff. But our children get told what they can do with their phone because they in school. The school is set up just like the workforce. Just like it. So, Allah put that on my heart, so I just wanted to it just came out, family. But I apologize, but I hope you got something out of it. But let's go to the last article, and let's talk about cryptocurrency market cap of all-time high of $1 trillion. The significance of that. The significance of that. So this is something from NDTV Profit. Cryptocurrency market cap touches $1 trillion. All you need to know. Bitcoin versus dollar rate. On Thursday, the price of cryptocurrency Bitcoin achieved a new record high and soared past $40,000 for the first time, rising $10,000 in just 5 days. Wow. Bitcoin versus the dollar rate. The total market value of all cryptocurrency surged above $1 trillion for the first time on Thursday, January the 7th, as Bitcoin surged to a record high, according to data by crypto coin trackers, CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko. Bitcoin jumped more than 900% to $38,655 on Thursday from $3,850 in March of 2020. Wow. As governments increased spending to tackle the economic impact of the COVID-19 pandemic, the market cap of all cryptocurrencies rose 10% to $1.042 trillion on Thursday, according to data from CoinMarketCap. Bitcoin accounts for around 69% of the total market capitalization. Bitcoin is followed by Ethereum with a 13% share. Also read Bitcoin surpasses $35,000 to a new high. On Thursday, the price of cryptocurrency Bitcoin achieved a new record high. I just read that, right? So, family, the recent Bitcoin rally that has today crossed the record $37,000 $37,000 mark has positively impacted the Indian market. Globally, we are seeing various governments and financial institutions trying to accommodate cryptocurrency into its fold. Let's read that again. This is a powerful sentence right here, fam. Globally, we are seeing various governments and financial institutions trying to accommodate cryptocurrency into its fold. We remain optimistic that India is a tech and economic power that will emerge as a key player in crypto and blockchain adoption. Woo. So, family, I'm just going to leave it there. We're not going to even go no further with that, family. You can go and get that for yourself. So, what I want to tell you and what we have to say to you right now is, if you don't know nothing about cryptocurrency, if you want to learn more about cryptocurrency, family, get with us. Send us an email. Comment on this stream right here, whether you watch it on Facebook or YouTube. We can help you. And we do offer a blockchain academy that will help educate you about crypto and about blockchain technology. And we're gonna keep it real simple. And in the midst of you learning about crypto and getting this understanding, we have a way for you to earn crypto with no trading and no mining. So there's no risk. Because just real quick, family, if you trade cryptocurrency, that's a risk. If you buying crypto as an investor, that's a risk. But if you in a system that pays you to refer others to the system and it pays you in crypto, you generate income in crypto, payouts in crypto, commissions in crypto. Where is the risk in that? I got Ethereum and Bitcoin from commissions, and I really don't give a damn if they go up or down. It really makes me no difference. I ain't lose, because my income is in crypto. Naturally, of course, we want it to go up. That's just natural. That's just natural now. We're not crazy. But family, that's very significant. When you trade, you got to know what you're doing, and it takes skills. When you're investing, you got to hope it goes up. And when it goes up, especially with us playing with little money, $1,000, $2,000, $5,000, you playing with stuff like that in the Bitcoin. When Bitcoin goes up, you got to know when to turn some of that into profit. When to take those profits. I mean, for real. Straight up. You just got to think about what's being said now. We're not crypto experts and we're not financial advisors. We are real networkers and we are real wealth builders. That means we build looking long term. I'm not banking on Bitcoin and Ethereum to make me rich, because I know that unless I'm a millionaire, that train has left the station. No more aboard that. However, if I can generate income in Bitcoin and then I can find some other baby coins to get involved in, then I can hit a lick like that. Because cryptocurrency, you just know about Bitcoin and Ethereum because they're the top two. But there's other crypto, like I just said, there's a cryptocurrency, many cryptos out there right now that got a higher price per one coin than Ethereum got. They're just the top two. Because a lot of those coins are created on the Ethereum blockchain, smart contract. So, with that being said, family, and we are also in Fard Money, family, we are putting together a crypto strategy investing group. So look out for that. I know I said next week, but we need some time to really push it and get everything lined up and have all the facts laid out. No guarantees. For the disclaimer, for you to know, if you put your money in crypto, your money is at risk for a loss. Point blank, period. So don't put up what you're afraid to lose or what you can't lose. Be wise. However, we can show you how to just generate it in income. And you ain't got to take none of that risk, right? We can show you that as well. But we're going to put together a crypto strategy investing group within the next, should look for our first meeting to be at the end of the month or the beginning of February, right? We're going to make sure everything is right. We're going to get the flyers. We're going to push it. And to get into that meeting room, it's only going to last, maybe an hour and a half. But we're going to show you some viable platforms, some viable cryptocurrency technologies to get involved in. Right? And we're going to keep that. We're going to keep that at about $100 to get that information and to be a part of that group to get in. It's up to you, right? We're not going to give you free game. We're not going to just let you know certain stuff because we don't get paid for it. I can tell you about this coin, but if I don't get paid for it, then what am I doing? So be on the lookout for that if that's something you're interested in. But if you want to learn about crypto right now, You want to learn about a baby coin, which the symbol that's behind me, the G999. That coin there is a proof of stake. That coin there has nodes. This coin here has functionality, has a whole lot of stuff, technology operating on this blockchain. So if you want to know more about that, if you want to get your hands on this coin that we think is a viable player into this whole crypto phenomenon, but we will be here in the next future, right? If you want to know about that, if you want to get involved in something like that and learn about that, then get with the person that led you to this stream or get with us and we will contact you soon. So let me look at the comments on Facebook and Instagram. All right. Good evening. Fact. Okay. All right. Archie. Okay. Green Ross. All right. So with that being said, family, we thank y'all for joining. We will leave y'all with a quick video about what we have our hands on and about this full ecosystem, which you will see in a quick overview video, which is about 10 minutes, and then we will see y'all on the next episode and the next stream that we drop. So with that being said, family, see y'all next week, tomorrow. See you in the morning, matter of fact, because we probably would do a stream in the morning because I got some new information or a new way I want to talk about something. So we will see y'all in the morning for that, all right? With that being said, family, peace out.
Human fascination with gold is as old as recorded history. 1792, the United States Congress passed the Mint and Coinage Act that established a fixed price of gold in terms of U.S. dollars. 15 August 1971, a number of attempts were made to salvage the gold standard. 2011, the foundation of the Gold Standard Banking AG, one of the most successful companies which specializes in the trade of minerals and precious metals worldwide. There's a global distribution network for industrial minerals and metals in more than 120 countries. 2020, GSB presents new cutting-edge products and services. Blockchain gold asset LBMA price connected, ready to be traded on a stable rate directly on our exchange. It is using the most advanced decentralized blockchain protocol, safe, cost-efficient, and fast. Digital G999 card, the safest way to secure your digital blockchain assets. Use our new digital card at the size of a credit card to pay the merchants. Gold point of sale. If you are a gold bullion dealer, this is the best way to increase your sales. Our community will trade digital gold to pick up it physically. You can directly exchange the tokens and transfer fiat into your bank account. GSB consists of GSB Gold, International Business Blockchain Platform, Universal Gold Merchant, and Gold Standard Digital Bank. We invite you to discover our products and services. You can pay using our decentralized blockchain solution, everything and everywhere. Register now. Find out more about GSB on our website, g999main.net.